Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Vibes. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. And today we're talking about something very important. English mistakes you must avoid if you want to speak confidently.
These mistakes are super common, especially among beginners. But don't worry, after today, you won't make them again.
So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any new English lessons.
One of the most common mistakes, mixing he and she. Example of mistake. She is my brother. He is my sister. Correct. He is my brother. She is my sister. Always remember, he equals boy, she equals girl.
Many learners say, I am agree. I am understand. These are wrong. Correct sentences are, I agree. I understand. Agree and understand are not states. They are actions, so we don't use I am.
Many learners say, I like very much this movie. Correct. I like this movie very much. Very much always goes at the end.
Some people say, I have 2 childrens. I bought 3 shirtses. Correct. 2 children, 3 shirts. Numbers already show plural. Don't add extra s to irregular nouns.
I am learning English since 2 years. I am living here for 2019. Correct. I have been learning English for 2 years. I have been living here since 2019. Rule is for equals time period. Since equals starting point.
Never say, this is more better. Correct. This is better. Better already means more good. No need to add more.
Common errors. I am waiting you. Correct. I am waiting for you. I am married with her. Correct. I am married to her. I discussed about it. Correct. I discussed it.
She do not like tea. Correct. She does not like tea. Use does for he, she, it.
And when, tenku, thank you, express, express. Practice slowly. Focus on your tongue and lips.
People say, I am taking tension. Correct. I am worried. Open the light. Correct. Turn on the light. English sentences don't follow the same structure as local languages. Avoid direct translation.
Many learners mix these 2 words. Wrong. I don't have many money. How much friends do you have? Correct. I don't have much money. How many friends do you have? Easy rule. Much equals uncountable. Many, countable.
Learners often say both in one sentence. Wrong. I was late because so the traffic was heavy. You must choose one. Correct. I was late because the traffic was heavy. Or the traffic was heavy, so I was late.
Wrong. This is him book. This is she car. Correct. This is his book. This is her car. Learn the pattern. He, she equals subject. Him, her equals object. His, her equals possession.
Wrong. Where you are going. What you are doing. Correct. Where are you going? What are you doing? In English, questions start with helping verbs.
Wrong. I am interesting in music. Correct. I am interested in music. Wrong. This book is interested. Correct. This book is interesting. Simple trick. Interested equals how you feel. Interesting describes the thing.
Wrong. This food is too tasty. This sounds negative. I am too happy. Correct. This food is very tasty. I am very happy. Too means more than necessary, usually negative. It is too hot. Bad. He is too tired. Bad.
Listen to native speakers. Practice simple sentences every day. Don't rush. Focus on small improvements. Learn from your mistakes.
If you found today's lesson helpful, give this video a big like.
Subscribe to English Vibes for more beginner-friendly videos. See you in the next lesson.